witch and witches out there. And yes, gamit po natin ang grandmother's cloak today. So yes, um, for today's video, hindi po ako magko-collective, but I'm here to inform you. I will post this video for you, and someone is blocking my throat chakra. Like, you know it. So, sa mga always na umaabag dyan, especially to my witches and to my sisters, today is I will teach you some magic. Yes, magtuturo po ako today ng magic. Like, you know it, you know it, you know it. So, ba't parang mukhang sungay yung aking so, okay lang kahit magmukhang sungay, but least tatakpan ng aking hair. Like, you know what? Sabi kasi nila, like, some readers that I have been to, I should always cover up my head. You know it, you know it. Kasi nga, yung crown chakra ko naman is like, someone is wanting to, like, overtake my crown chakra. Like, you know it. So, today, before all of that, I'll shall open my book of, book of Shadows Tarot. So, ayan, this is my Book of Shadow cards, which is one of my favorite. So, ayan. So, ayan guys, pag open ko, andyan si Mother Fire agad sa, nagpakita. Oh. Like, ayan. So, yes, ano ko po sa inyo yung characteristics ng mga mothers. Kaya ako po ilalabas ang Book of Shadow. Before and after that, I will teach you some blood magic. Like, you know it, you know it. Sabi nga ng mga sisters before ako mawala ng internet, like, gano'n. Why naman daw mayroon akong tinuturuan ng blood magic tapos sila hindi ko tinuturuan. So, tuturuan ko kayo ng blood magic. And this is a very simple one. And this is one of my favorite type of blood magic. And yun yung pinaka, So, before all of that, before I proceed to teach you what are the characteristics of the four mothers, tuturo ko muna sa inyo yung, I will give you something like, natatatak sa inyo, like, gano'n. So, wag po kayong mag-pray ng protection towards toxic people kung mahal nyo po ang mga friends nyo. Yes. Kung mahal nyo ang friends nyo, wag po kayong mag-pray na ilayo kayo sa toxic people. Kasi like, you know it, you know it, you know it. Your guides, your gods and goddesses, your pantheon that you are working with are nilalayo po kayo sa mga toxic people. Ibig sabihin kapag nilayo po kayo sa group of friends, like trinidor kayo ng friends nyo, and all, that means like sila yung toxic. Pero kung mahal nyo sila, wag kayong magpre-pray sa mga, like the protection gods, like example, the goddess Nephthys, like kapag nagpray po kayo sa goddess of protection, which is the goddess Nephthys, like, oh my God, bakit ganon? There is a sudden shift. Bakit ako trinidor ni Frenny ko na ganito? Like, ganon. Okay naman kami ni Frenny ko na ganito eh. Bakit naman nagkaganon? Because inilalayo kayo ng goddess or ng god na pinagpriyan nyo sa mga toxic people. Like, ganon. Oh my God, bakit ako iniwan ni ganito? Okay lang naman kami kahapon, masaya naman kami kahapon. Bakit kami biglang there as a sudden shift? Like, ganon. Like, ganon. So, don't pray to the gods and the goddesses as a protections kung love nyo ang inyong friends. Diba? Kung love nyo inyong friends, don't pray to those gods and goddesses because ilalayo po kayo sa mga toxic people. Like, ganon. So, kaya ko sinabi yon because recently, I have prayed to a God of protection. Don't, I don't want to drop name of who is he, but, diba, like, mostly, I am working with a goddess mga Diyosa, but he is a he. Wag kang assuming hindi si Khonshu. Charot. Yes, it's not Khonshu. Um, I have prayed to that God and a certain situation is turned into a shift. And sabi ko, that's true pala. Like, as in, like, that's true. Like, kasi ano ko lang yan. So, share ko lang sa inyo kasi, like, na ano ko lang sa isa sa mga seminars, like, you know naman nag-attend ako ng mga seminars, alam nyo naman yan. So, if love nyo yung friend nyo, like, ganon, like, kaya pala, like, parang kapag ako yung nagra-rant, is like, Kinemetsu, and pag siya naman yung nagra-rant, wala sa mga sisters ko yon, sa mga friends ko, like, outside, like, outside the coven, ganun talaga, like, there's a friend, I don't want to drop name, kasi friends pa rin kami sa Facebook, pero, you know it, trader ka, visit ka, I know what you did, like, ganon, like, nire-remove po tayo ng mga gods and goddesses sa certain situation, like, ganon, so, malalaman mo naman yan, so, before all of that, I will, today, I am filming this during Tuesday, which is my, ritual day, so, that's very, very significant to me, like, di ko sayang, di ko dala yung wallet ko, di ko na naman kayo ma-e-flexan kung magkano na naman ang pera ko, like, God. So, yun guys, may mga magaganda kasing nangyayari sa akin recently, so, yes, may mga magaganda po. So, shoutout dyan sa mga sisters ko out there. Sister Joy, Sister Ann, Sister Viana, Sister... Di ko memorize ang mga names. Nakakainis. Basta alam nyo na yung mga witches. May mga nicknames naman kayo dito sa account ko na to. Like, you know it. So, we have here the Mother Fire. Talagang nangumanang na si Mother Fire. So, hindi ko papakita kung ano yung mga tools kasi para at least kayo na lang ang maghanap ng tools and i-ask nyo na lang ako kung ano yung tsura ng tools na gagamitin natin for the blood magic. So, yes. This is the goddess. This is the Mother Fire, which is like, ayan. Napakaganda niya. Napakaganda ni Mother Fire. Charot! Ay! Yung Mother Fire na to, hindi yung Mother Fire na to. Pero, like, you know it. Like, there is this Mother Fire here. Si Mother Fire, if you are born with a fire sign, actually, I am not born with a fire sign, but, to my, past life regression, nalaman ko po na I was a reincarnation of the Mother Fire. Diba, like, ganun. So, like, the Mother Fire, based on my observations, like, the mother born in the fire signs, especially with my mom, like, you know it, like, madalas silang nami-misinterpret, like, yung mga mother na born with fire signs, kasi mostly, they are thought to be mga konsentidor. Like, ganyan. Diba, ganyan-ganyan ang ugali ko. Very konsentidor. Like, as in. Pero, hindi naman ako, like, nagbibigay. Like, sige go, gawin mo lang kung anong gusto mo. So, yun yung mother fire. Go, gawin mo yung gusto mo, but at the end, you know kung anong tama, alam yung mali, alam nyo yung kung ano, like, mother fire gives you freedom of you being you, of ano, pero tandaan nyo, ang mother fire, nandyan nakasubaybay, nakatingin lagi, tapos tinitingnan niya yung mga tama, tinitingnan niya yung mga mali. So, alam niyo naman, ang mother fire, nagiging dragon niya. Nagta-transform yan bilang dragon. Like, if you want this thing, if you want this, sige, gawin mo. Pero, don't say that I didn't warn you. Ganon ang mother fire. Okay, sige, go. Pursue mo yan. But don't say at the end, I didn't warn you. Tapos, ganito. Ano yung lesson na natutunan mo dyan? Like, based on my mother is a fire sign, she is a Sagittarius. Very ganyan-ganyan po ang aking ina. Like, si mama, ganyan na ganyan po ang ugali. Very, very mother fire. So, like, hindi lang naman siya, kasi ang dami ko rin kilalang mga mother born in fire sign. Pero ganun talaga ang ugali nila. And based on astrology, ganun talaga ang ugali ng mga fire signs na mother. So, like, tinuturo ko sa inyo para at least alam nyo. And the shadow side ni mother fire, lahat ng gawin mo mali. Kahit gumawa ka ng tama, mali. That is the shadow self of mother fire. Mostly, mapapansin nyo yan sa lahat ng nanay. Sa totoo lang. Kasi lahat, kunyari, maghugas ka ng pinggan. Mali yung paghuhugas mo ng pinggan. Like, they have an inner mother fire within themselves. They have the inner shadow. They have the shadow face of mother fire within themselves. Maglilinis ka ng bahay. Mali! Like, ganon. But that is the mother fire. Like, bakit ganyan ka maglinis? Hindi mo inaayos. That is the shadow self of the body. Pero, that is, very, very, stereotypical mother kasi yung, na yon, like, mother na ganon. Pero, but, if mother fire is like ganon, it's not like that. If yung mother fire mas intense, if mother fire is on her shadow self. Because, mother fire on her shadow self is like ganito. Ano ba yan? Bakit ka na pati love life mo pakikialaman? Like, ganun ang mother fire, the shadow self. Pati career mo pakikialaman. Ano ba yan, ganyan? Bakit ganyan? Hindi siya popo. Ganun po ang shadow self na mother fire. Shadow self na ba? Shadow self na mother. Pero yung mother ko nga is like the mother fire and her glory, like, ganyan. Napakabait po ng aking ina, di naman natin masasabing consentidor kasi like, andyan pa rin yung gabay niya, like, sige, do it at your own risk. Ganun po ang mother fire on her glory for, like, sige ka, gawin mo yan, sige, umibig ka, pero, anak, tandaan mo, like, kung ano yung nangyari nung nakaraan, ganyan, like, meron siyang paalalang ganon, yung mga nangyari nung nakaraan, pag mo ibubuhos lahat, ganyan po si mama. So, yun po ang mother fire. Hindi ko naman sinasabing si mama si mother fire, kasi nga ako si mother fire. Like, mother fire kasi si mama, kasi like, she is the mother of flame, the mother of fire. She is this like Sagittarius energy. Like, si mama po is Sun in Sagittarius, kaya isa po siya, pwede po siyang ilagay sa spectrum of mother fire. Like, ganon. So, we have next is the mother air. Mostly, sa mga anak ni mother air, ha. So, sa mga mothers na born in air sign. Like, Libra, ano pa ba? Libra, Aquarius, and ano yung isa? Libra, Aquarius, and ano yung isa? Libra, Aquarius, and Gemini. They are very strict. Like, ganun. Okay, ganito yan. Hoy, uuwi ka na gantong oras. Hindi ka pwede makipag-churbanas. Obey the rules dito sa bahay. Huwag kang papasok dito sa bahay. Mag-aral ka ng mabuti. Makatapos ka. Kinemechu. So, hindi naman po masama na maging ganun. Kasi like, sabi ko nga, that is the personality of Mother Air. Like, she is this Mother Air na ganun siya mag-care eh. Like, I will do it for the own good of my child. Like, ganon. Gets nyo ba? Baka hindi nyo nagigets. So, ganon si Mother Air. Like, very controlling mother, but she always, like, yung alam niyo yung mother's knows best, like, that's Mother Air. Like, that's a very Mother Air energy. Alam niya yung mga kinemichu, alam niya yung mga rules and regulations. Like, she has rules over her children. Like, ganon. Like, caring din naman po si Mother Air, but she also have this energy, like, parang very strict. Like, caring din naman, yung lahat ng mothers sa totoo lang caring, but very strict si Mother Air. Okay, let's talk about the shadow self of Mother Air. Mother Air in shadow self is like ganto. Lagi siyang nagpapadala sa pananakot ng mga anak. Sige ka, huwag siya kamasyama siya ni Chiko, anong siya marichurucho, maniha. Like, ganon. Like, dito naman si Mother Air, sige na nga, labas na, ganyan. Like, si Mother Air in shadow form, ang talagang consentidor, hindi si Mother Fire, but Mother Air in shadow form. So, like, ang mga anak po ni Mother Air in shadow form is like something to be like what we call spoiled brat. Like, ganun po. Like, ganyan. Mother Air in shadow form. Buti hindi ako nabigyan ng nanay ng Mother Air in shadow form. Thank be to the mahal na Sorang Diyosa. Mahal na Diyos si Sora na binigay sa akin na ina is the Mother Fire. Is very blessed and very honored. Very blessed and then like, talagang Mother Air in shadow form is like ganon. Like, very, very, sila, like, shagri siya po. Like, sinabihan lang ng anak na ganon, talagang, bigay na agad. Sige, go, for the go. Like, madali makontrol ang Mother Air in shadow form. Like, ganon yung, ganon po, ang Mother Air in shadow form. Like, ganon. Like, basta, like, I don't want to elaborate Mother Air in shadow form. Pero, like, Mother Air in her glory form, mostly hindi ko naman sa nila lahat. Mostly, ang mga anak ni Mother Air in her glory form is rebel. Mga rebellious. Like, Mother Fire is like this mother, like, not very sick. It's like, hindi na, like, makakonsider mo na consider si Mother Fire. Okay, sige. Ganyan ka. Ganyan, nakakasakit ka na ng damdamin. Ganyan si Mother Fire. Like, gano'n. Like, kaya hindi nagiging rebellious yung mga anak ni Mother Fire. Kasi nga, ganun yung like, ganun yung approach niya. But, mas nai-interpret nami-misinterpret ng mga tao si Mother Fire na konsentidor. Hala, ganyan pala yung anak mo. Like, ganun yung anak mo, bakit mo pinapayagan maganon? Eh, di naman nila alam kung paano nagpapalaki si Mother Fire. Mostly mga mother ear yung mga ganyan na, hala, ganyan mo pala pinapalaki yung anak mo. Ganun naman like, mostly mga mother ear ganyan. Like, si Mother Ear, si Mother Fire, magkaaway talagang tunay. Like, ganyan. Hala, ganyan mo pala pinapalaki, bakit parang ganyan na, ganon. But, Mother Ear never know the struggles of Mother Fire. Like, ganon. So, with that said, mostly kasi si Mother Air at si Mother Fire hindi magkasundo. Like, Mother Air is like the very very comparing mother din eh. Like, medyo kaya nga nagiging rebellious yung anak ni Mother Air eh, kasi kino-compare niya to other people yung mga anak niya. Like, bakit si ganon? Bakit si ganon? Ganyan. Like, ganon. Mostly ha, hindi ko naman sinasabing lahat ng Mother Air ganon. Pero, mostly sa lahat ng Mother Air. And, I know, ranas yan ng mga ang nanay ay air sign. Very stricto. Like, ganyan. Kahit lalaki ka pang panganay ka. Very stricto ang Mother Air. Like, ganyan. Lumayas ka na. Ganon. Like, malate ka lang ng uwi. Lumayas ka na. Kinemechu. Ganon ang Mother Air. Pero that is how Mother Air show love. Like, kasi si Mother Air, kailangan ko protektahan ng mga anak ko from the outside world that I can harm them. Like, I only want the best for my children. Like, gano'n ang Mother Air. Like, gano'n. Pero si Mother Fire, pag nakita nyo nagalit, charot, diba? Babaeng dragon. Like, gano'n! Ganun ang mga Mother Fire. Next is, kita natin, Mother Earth. You may consider Mother Earth as another consentidor mother. But in terms of material things, like, kapag sinabi mo, Mami, bili mo ako ng ganyan. Mami, bili mo ako ng ganito. Si Mother Earth naman, like, bigay, bigay, bigay. That is how Mother Earth show affection, shows love. Like, kahit walang-wala ang Mother Earth, bigay. Ganon ang Mother Earth. Like, she might be considered as like, like they are paralleling with Mother, si Mother Fire is consentidor, like, napagkamalang consentidor through actions, but si Mother Earth is napagkamalang consentidor through material things. Like, I want new iPhone 7. Like, iPhone Pro Max. Like, si Mother Earth naman, bigay! Like, ganon. Hindi, but don't underestimate how Mother Earth is like, kasi si Mother Earth talaga is like, Mother Earth is like a very hardworking mother. Ibinibigay niya yung the best para sa mga anak niya. And ganon, like, very hardworking po ang Mother Earth. And mostly, siguro yun na lang yung way nila para makabawi sa mga anak nila. Kasi, like, compared to Mother Air and Mother Fire, like, and also Mother Water, si Mother Earth po is like, kung mapapansin nyo, mostly sa mga mother na earth sign, like, they are focused in work, and yun na lang po ang naiibigay nila sa mga anak nila, like, material things, mostly ganun, like, they value money, but also, hindi nila tinitipid yung mga anak nila. Hindi ko naman sinasabing matipid si Mother Fire, tsaka si Mother Air, tsaka si Mother Water, but Mother Earth is like the most giving mother. But, siguro, kapag ako Ito kasi, based on my experience as a earth sign, as an earth sign myself, like, mapagbigay ko talaga kapag meron ako as in. Pero kapag wala ako, wala talaga akong maibigay. Sorry for that. Pero to be honest, nasa ano ako ngayon, nasa what we call that, shadow face ni Mother Earth. Ano naman ang shadow face ni Mother Earth? Yun na nga. Like, ano naman ang shadow face ni Mother Earth? Bakit? Parang napakabait naman ni Mother Earth. Like, parang ganun yung iniisip niya, di ba? Like, what you are thinking. Like, parang napakabait naman ni Mother Earth. Di ba? Like, ganun. Ang shadow self ni Mother Earth, masyado niyang napapabayaan ang kanyang mga anak. Ang shadow self ni Mother Earth, minsan, nagluluho siya para sa sarili niya. Mostly sa mga Mother Earth na in a shadow phase, like, they do drunk a lot, they do party a lot, they do like, bili ng kung anek-anek. Like, pinababayaan nila yung mga anak nila. That is the shadow face of Mother Earth. Yes, Mother Earth is so forgiving, but yung shadow self ni Mother Earth is like, parang, like, yung, alam niyo yung ano, ginagawa nilang investment yung mga anak nila, yun yung shadow face ni Mother Earth. Like, ganon. That's a Mother Earth. That's a Mother Earth in shadow face. Like, ano ba yan? Wala pa yung ano, hinihingi ko sa'yo, ganun po ang shadow face ni Mother Earth. And, don't, like, compared to Mother Fire, like, mali lahat ng sa paningin niya. And compared to Mother Earth, Mother Earth is like, very makasarili in her shadow self. Like, drought talaga yan. Talagang, like, 'di ba, remember si Demeter, like, papunta tayo sa Greek mythology muna. Like, Demeter is like this Mother Earth, like, ganon. Parang earthly mother siya, like, ganon, napaka-caring niya kay Persephone, pero pag wala si Persephone, like, pinababayaan niya ang earth to be barren and wala ka maaani, ganon. Like, ganon yung feel ni Mother Earth, like, wala siyang pakialam. Wala siyang pakialam. Kana. So, yun nga. Pero on the other hand, like, mostly sa mga anak ni Mother Earth on her glory form, spoiled. Spoiled ang mga anak ni Mother Earth. Bigay lang ng bigay si Mother Earth. Like, ganon. You want this, you will have it. Like, ganon. Ganon ang Mother Earth. Like, you know it. That's how they show affection towards. Especially kung Capricorn ang mga nanay nyo. Intindihin nyo. Kasi like, yes, ibinibigay sa inyo ng mga mami nyo yung mga material things. Huwag kayo magtatampo na wala siyang time kasi very hardworking. Kasi lahat ng the best ibinibigay sa inyo ng mga mami, especially kung Capricorn yung mga mami nyo. So, yun yung pinakang sa mga Mother Earth. Like, minsan na-work focus sila, minsan napapabayaan, hindi naman nila napapabayaan yung mga anak nila, pero, yun nga, sometimes, mostly sa mga Mother Earth, nakakapagluto pa para sa mga anak nila, ha? Aminin, mga mommies, before sila umalis. Like, kasi like, very strong independent woman kasi ang mga Mother Earth. Like, yeah, that. Like, sabihan niyan, nak, pasok na ako sa work. Andiyan na yung mga nyo, mga baon nyo, kanametsu. Ipagluto ko na kayo ng ganito, ipagluto ko ng ganyan. nakalagay na sa Tupperware, nakalagay na sa Kinemechu, ibalik ang Tupperware. Like, di ba? Ibalik ang Tupperware. Ganyan na mga Mother Earth, they value also material things. Like, I don't want to talk about it. Mostly sa mga nanay kasi ganun talaga ang mga nanay. Pero, I want to emphasize mostly, mas madalas po nangyayari yan sa mga earth sign. Like, ganyan. Like, anak, yung sukli sa baon. Nagastos ko na ma. Like, sige sa'yo na. Ganon. Ay, imagine ko talaga pag magkakaanak ako in the future. Like, I am this Mother Earth. Like, gana. Kasi, you know, magkakaanak naman talaga ako in the future. And dami-daming ways para magkaanak. And, like, diba? So, let's talk about that. So, we have here, last but not the least, Mother Air. Very emotionally aligned. Si Mother Earth, Mother Air, Mother Water. Si Mother Water, very emotionally aligned. Like, anak, kamusta ka? Wala. Sa kabila, kay Lola BP. Like, ganon ang Mother Water. Like, anak, kamusta ka? How do you feel? Kamusta naman ang love life mo? Umiiyak ka na naman. Pinaiyak ka na naman ba niya? Like, ano bang ginawa niya sa'yo? Kamusta naman ang school? Okay ka lang ba? Hindi ka ba na-stress? You can tell anything about her. Ganun, like, you can tell anything about it. Like, ganyan yung mga mother. You can say it to mommy. You can say it to mother. You can tell it to mother. Ganyan. Like, they have the emotional support. The emotional supporting character po ang mga Mother Water. I don't have to talk about much Mother Water kasi they are more on emotion. Like, so totoo lang, they are the most hands-on mother on the 4 mother spectrum. Though hands-on din naman po si Mother Air. Pero, like, they are the most hands-on. Ah,
Pag dumating daw si Tito,
ano?
ay sabihin mo daw si Tita ay nagre-repack ng
Asin.
paminta.
Paminta. Asin.
Dali mo sa taas ng cellphone ko, baka si Amang may mag-online ha.
So, we have this Mother Water. Like, Mother Water is this Mother Water. Mother Water is like this, very emotional supportive. Like, sila yung may mga anak na ano, very successful. Don't ano very successful din naman ang mga anak ni Mother Fire. But, mostly si Mother Fire kasi nagkakaroon ng favoritism. Sometimes mga panganay. Charot! Hi! Relate! Relate dyan yung mga may Mother Fire. O, diba? Ah? Si Mother Fire kasi minsan may favoritism. Mostly mga panganay. So, yan nga. If you read my story na sa lamang Kesta, like, Mother Fire has this favoritism, like, talagang ganun mo si mga panganay, ganyan. Like, ganon. Like, we have here Mother Water. Like, Mother Water is like, talagang super, ano siya, super caring niya. Like, si Mother Water, oh, anak, broken ka. I will fill that empty cup with my water. Like, ganon. Like, if you have this Mother Water, like, kapag na-broken ka, parang hindi ka na-broken. Kasi, like, napaka-buti ng Mother Water. Like, good naman ang ugali ni Mother Water. that is, ay, bakit ganon? Bakit ganon? Napakabuti ni Mother Water, pero nandun pala sa spectrum ni Mother Water ang Scorpio. Ay, mamaya ha. Ichichika ko sa inyo kung ano ang shadow. May shadow self pala si Mother Water nga pala. Mamaya, chichika ko rin naman yon. Pero yun nga, very caring naman ni Mother siya is emotional support. So, meron tayo itong emotional support, materialistic support, intellectual support, and support. Overall support. Overall support. Why? Huwag niyong anuhin si Mother Fire. Overall support yan. O, hindi ako nagkakaroon ng bias kasi ina ko Mother Fire ha. Hindi ako nagkakaroon ng bias kasi Mother Fire ko ano ha. I have a Mother Fire ha. Like, hindi ako nagkakaroon ng bias ha. Like, overall support mo. Energy support. Like, ganon. Passion. Like, ipupush ka ni Mother Fire to your fullest. Like, go, kaya mo yan, anak! Daw, kahit hindi nanood si mama ng sayaw ko, ng street dancing. Support din naman. Like, ganon. Support through your passion. Like, anak, bakit ba gusto mo mag-business? Tara, business tayo. And yes, our business is clicking here. Hindi ko nga nadala yung wallet ko. Papakitaan ko na naman sana kayo ng pera ko. Like, as in. Ganon. Like, ang tama nga ba? Passion support? Tama, passion support. Okay, we have here emotional support, material support, and intellectual support, and passionistic support. Like, yung passion mo, ita-drive ka ni Mother Fire to your fullest. But, what we call that, Mother Water. Punta na tayo sa shadow self ni Mother Water. Nabalik tayo kay Mother Fire. Kasi tawag din sa akin Mother Fire. And sabi ko nga, like, I am also a radiation of the first Mother Fire. Ganyan, shoot. Like, ganar. So, ang shadow face po ni Mother Water is like, very toxic na ina. Hoy, sino yan? Ako nga. Like, ganar. Hoy, sino yan? Ako nga. Alam mo naman, nasasaktan ka lang yan. Bakit mo ginawa? Like, ganar. Tapos, sometimes, sa mga Mother Water in reverse, in shadow face, kasi wala tayong reverse position sa ating Book of Shadows kapag nag-read tayo eh. Like, ang Mother Water kasi, like, in her shadow face, is like, emotionally detached. Laging mainitin ang ulo. Hindi naman sinasabi lagi kang mali, pero emotionally detached. Sometimes emotionally detached. Mostly are emotionally detached. Like, what we call that, emotionally detached kasi ang Mother Water in her shadow face eh. Like, pabayaan ka as in like, umiiyak ka, bahala ka sa buhay mo. Ganun, masaya ka, bahala ka sa buhay mo. Like, ganun. Are you getting my point? Bahala ka sa buhay mo. Like, ganon. Magiinom ka, bahala ka sa buhay mo. Masaya ka, bahala ka sa buhay mo. Like, ganon. Pero unlike Mother Earth, like, hindi siya nagbibigay ng finances. Like talagang, kapag di ka love ng mother water mo, and her shadow face, talaga di ka niya talaga love. Ganon! Talagang kapag ang mother water mo is in her shadow set, di ka niya love. Di ka niya talaga love, as in, di ka niya love. Sinasabi ko sa inyo, pag naka, bahala ka sa buhay mo. Napahamak ka, aksidente ka, bahala ka sa buhay mo. Ganon. Ganon yan. Ganon yan. Ganon yun. And also, Mother Air, chika ko lang din, in her glory form, she values, what we call that? She values, what we call that? Education more than anything. Diba? Dapat edukado ka kapag may pag may mother air ka, ganon. Dapat nag-aaral ka sa isang prestigious school na kilala, ganon. Mostly. Diba? Like, ganon. Na-check ako na ba yung shadow face ni Mother Air? Ano ba shadow face ni Mother Air na-check ako ba? May check ko na lang. Kapag hindi, di kakat ko na lang. Tapos i-add ko na lang. Like, ganon. So, si Mother Water is like her children are the most likely to sa success in terms of like ganon, parang ganon. Like, in terms of kinemichu, in terms of love life, mas successful ang mga anak ni Mother Air, ni Mother Water. In terms of life, mas successful ang mga anak ni Mother Fire. In terms of material things, most likely to success is Mother Water, Mother Fire. Most likely to be rebels kasi nafe-feel nila na hindi sila love, Mother Air tsaka Mother Earth. Ang pagkakaiba lang nila, Mother Earth is too spoiled. Masyadong spoiled yung mga anak nila. Like, pa-ultimong paghugas ng pinggan di alam. Ganon. But, Mother Air was too strict. Kaya nagiging rebellious yung mga anak nila. Ganun. Nalabas ang hair. Ganun. So, if all of that, inabot na tayo na ilang oras dito. Kakachika ko tuloy yun. So, ang ating pong blood magic, kailangan nyo ng blood nyo. Maliit na container. This is one of my favorite. Like, alam niyo, insenso kamang yan. Bili kayo, no? Insenso kamang yan. Then, basil. Basil po, ha? Basil. And, a rose petal. Yan. Ano na? Blood. Insenso kamang yan. Rose petal. Basil. And maliit na container. Sa maliit na container, maglalagay kayo ng basil doon. Like halfway. Like ganon. Diba? Ang gagawin nyo doon, ganon lang po. Ayun lang yan. Doon mo lalagay yung basil. Doon nyo lang ilalagay yung basil. Like ganon. Tapos, after nyo doon ilagay yung basil, iset aside nyo muna. Kuha kayo ng drop of blood. Lagay nyo sa ang drop of blood, lagay nyo sa rose. And search kayo ng about sa mga sigils. like runic symbols. If you want love, with that drop of blood, lagay nyo sa rose petal. Ganon. 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 Like ganon. So, hanap po kayo ng mga runic symbols, sigils, and what you can do it. Like ganon. Ilalagay nyo lang po siya sa rose petal with your blood. Idodraw nyo lang po siya. Then with the incense kamangyan, kuha kang uling, syempre uling. Sunugin mo yung incense at kamangyan. Huwag mo isasama yung tawas. Incense at kamang durugin mo. Then lagay mo dun sa uling. And pabayaan mong umapoy. And with that, lalagay mo na yung what we call that the rose petal. Then yung prayers, you should customize your own prayer. And iba-iba naman tayo ng pantheon na ginagamit. So wag kayong gagaya sa mga pantheons ko na like ginagamit ko like I pray to the goddess Ishtar for blessings and kanemet like love, like ganon. So, wag kayo gaganon. So, like, pero kung may Ishtar kayo sa pantheon nyo, like, I have this, like, spell that you can do. So, lagay nyo doon. You can PM me and ganon. So, as we are witches, diba, remember that, as we are witches, iba-iba tayo ng style. How do we enchant spells? How do we cast spells? Like ganon. And after that, yung basil na nandun sa loob ng container na maliit, itaktak po natin sa what we call that, sa incense at kamangyan. And after that, yung abo, ilalagay po natin dun sa maliit na container. And yun po ang mangyayari. And sa mga intentions nyo, di ba, ikakast nyo nga yung spell, nandun na yung intentions nyo, with your pure intentions, with your pure power, so mote it be. So, ganun. That is one of my blood magic spells. You know it. You know it. So, for other blood magic tutorials, I can have this, like, you know it, you know it.